Dental implant training at the Pikos Institute, where innovation meets experience and education transforms lives. We are a global leader in oral surgery and dental implant education, recognized worldwide for award-winning continuing education. From in-person, hands-on surgical courses to on-demand implant online learning to large-scale symposiums, we offer education the way today's clinicians need it.
I founded the Pikos Institute over 35 years ago with a mission to provide clinically relevant, evidence-based dental implant training to dental professionals around the world.
Today, we proudly serve oral surgeons, periodontists, prosthodontists, general dentists, surgical support staff, and DSOs. We partner with residency programs and private practices alike, meeting each clinician where they are. Led by Dr. Michael A. Pikos, our elite, hand-selected faculty brings decades of real-world experience to every course. With more than 7,500 alumni across 67 countries, the Pikos Institute has earned a global reputation for excellence, trust, and results. Our comprehensive course catalog includes foundational implant programs, advanced full arch reconstruction, hard and soft tissue grafting, and surgical excellence for all experience levels. Join a legacy of excellence, learn from the best, and elevate your practice with the Pikos Institute.